Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will talk about why Instagram reach is down. So first of all, let me tell you how Instagram algorithm works. So Instagram is trying to show you the content it thinks you will like. So the algorithm in a way takes a note of the content you interact with, and then it starts showing you the most relevant content. The most relevant posts will appear on top and the less relevant will be placed further down. So what it means, if you interact with a certain user a lot, you will start seeing their content more often. Now you need to understand the difference between Instagram reach and Instagram impressions. So Instagram reach is the number of unique users that have seen your content, and Instagram impressions is the total number of users that have seen your content. But for example, one person can see your content 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So every time it counts as an impression. When it comes to reach, they count only unique users. So where do users can see your post? They can see it from home. So this number shows how many people have seen your post from their feed. From location, when you use geotag, people can search for a certain geotag and they can find your post from hashtags and from others. So from other means from the explore feed, from the discovery page, or from other pages. Guys, all these numbers are impressions, not reach, but you should aim at these numbers because they are very close to reach. Your goal should be to increase from home numbers, so more followers will see your post in their feed. How you can increase your reach? You need to get more likes, more comments, more shares, more saves and more DMs. People who were chatting with you in DM will see your post at the top of their feed. So that is a life hack. When someone posts a story, try to reply quickly to the stories and it will help you to spark a conversation. Now, when Instagram decreases reach, when you don't post on a regular basis, when you don't interact with your followers, when you don't interact with other accounts, and when you use hashtags that have more than 1 million posts. So guys, I was trying to explain you why your Instagram reach is down. Try to build a community, post quality and viral content so people will like your content, they will comment, try to engage with them, communicate with your followers in DMs, and it will help you to increase your reach. So guys, thank you for watching. If you find my content interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.